Ndewono. Kedu? This is Igbo Daily, and your word for today is Ibolachi. The direct translation of Ibolachi is, have you broken the day? Have you broken the day? Now you say this in the morning, so the person responds, Ibolachi, and the person asks you back, Ibolachi. So you say Ibolachi, it means good morning. Ibolachi. And now your next word for the day is Kachifo. Kachifo, the direct translation is let the day break. Let the day break. So you say this to someone at night, or when you're seeing the person for the last time for the day, you say Kachifo, to which the person also responds Kachifo. Now you know how to greet someone in the morning and in the night. So please like, subscribe, and share to your friends.